What's up everyone, it's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Lovely Wholesale haul, and I do want to show you guys the items that I picked out from their website. I'm going to let you guys know how these items that I receive compare to the items that are on the website, because we all know sometimes we order stuff online, it looks one way, and a lot of times they just use pictures from Instagram anyway and they just post it on the website, so you really don't know what you're really going to get. So today I'm going to be your guinea pig, and before we get started I do want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Lovely Wholesale. So shout out to Lovely Wholesale for sending over these pieces. I really can't wait to share them with you guys, so without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my least favorite item because I just want to get it out of the way. So this is the blazer, and it's giving lab coat vibes. This is the sleeves. Now the sleeves are mesh. The problem that I have with the sleeves being mesh, on the website the sleeves are all like blinged out, it's rhinestones all over it, and I thought that would be cute to pair with some rhinestone pants, but this doesn't have that. It doesn't even have any sparkle on it. Like, there's no sparkle anywhere whatsoever. It's just this mesh sleeve or whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on for y'all so y'all can see what she's giving. Now it is gonna alter my color just a little bit because that's what all white does. So this is the blazer. It is a satin blazer. This is the back. It's pretty long or whatever, and it does have a button right here as well. So this is with it buttoned up. It has these, it has a faux, oh, it's a real pocket. Okay, so it has pockets, but I don't know, it's just not really my style. I don't really like this blazer that much, but I don't know, if I style it right, it could work. But this is pretty much this blazer. Okay, you guys, so this next item that I'm about to show you guys have actually seen this featured on my Instagram story. I never posted a picture in this item, so you guys have seen this top. I did actually film a hair tutorial in this top, but the company did some weird stuff, so that's why that video never came out. But anyways, this is the top. It's a money print corset top. Basically, this top was supposed to be a corset, like a real corset that loans in it, that has the hooks and everything, but this literally is just a polyester, like stretchy sweetheart neckline type of money print shirt. The other thing that I like about this is that it has these really long sleeves, and the sleeves have like this little slit in it, but these are like those long sleeves that go like all the way down to here, like to your knuckles basically. Let's go ahead, try this on and see what it looks like on. Okay, you guys, so this is what the money print top looks like. Here is the sleeves. This is what I was talking about, how it has the slit. Now you can turn the slit however you want it. You can turn it on the side, you can turn it to the back, you can turn it how you want it. I would turn mine to the side just because that's more my speed, but I love how long these sleeves are. It's meant to be this long, by the way, but I really do like this top. It's not a bodysuit, but it is form-fitting. Yeah, it's pretty long. It's not a dress though. It's just a long top, but this top is long enough so that you can actually tuck it into your pants. You don't have all that extra ruching or anything, and it's form-fitting enough. It doesn't have too much support, but yeah, that's the money print top, you guys. It's super cute and I absolutely love it. The next item that I'm about to show you guys is something that is very popular right now. A lot of people are wearing this style of a top. Now I do like the original colorway for this top, but I don't really like wearing the same thing as everybody else. I got the top, but I just got it in a different color from what I've seen everybody else have. So most people have this in the pink version. I have mine in the blue and white version. Now mine is not tied up yet. I didn't lace it up. I have to physically lace this up, but I just wanted to show you guys how it actually comes. Damn, these little threads. Okay, so it has a lot of these loose threads and it's like tangled all over the place. But it's, you know, that tie-up top, blue, white, and pink. I love it. And then it has this lime green string that you have to lace up. So I do just want to show you guys what the items look like when they come so you don't get surprised. This is a top that's really cute, but you do have to lace it up. It does take a long time to lace up. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do it. But I will go ahead, lace this up, and I will try this on for you guys so you guys can see what this top actually looks like on, and then let you guys know what the fit is like on this as well. Now I want to say that I ordered this in a size small. I'm not 100% sure, but I will correct myself. But I'll let you guys know what the fit is like. And as far as like my boobs, I am a D cup, so if anybody is wondering. Okay you guys, so now I went ahead and I laced it up, but as you guys can see, it does have a lot of these loose threads all over the place. I am gonna cut some of these off because they're just ridiculous. Like, yeah, just some of them, like this right here. So I just cut the really stringy long parts off. But yeah, this is the top and the back. So you guys, this is what this top looks like on now that I have everything tied up. It's super cute, love the fit of it, but honestly you guys, this is so freaking bomb. Love the color on me. Let me come up closer too so y'all can really see. So I don't get demonetized, I'm gonna cover that up. But I love this detailing here, it looks so beautiful. Love the colorway. I wanted to make sure that I got something that was cute but still a little bit different. It's still really, really bomb. I like this. This is what it looks like from this side. Okay, this is what it looks like in the back. So you guys know I had to save the best for last, and this final piece is definitely my favorite out of everything. Well, the top is actually really cute too, but this two-piece set that I'm about to show you guys is my favorite. I absolutely love ordering sets because they're so easy to put together. You don't have to think about an outfit. They always look really cute, and who doesn't love a set? This set comes with a pair of these long ribbed pants. They're a light gray color. They're not as light as what's showing up on camera. They're definitely a little bit darker than that. These fit really, really good. I'm gonna try these on for a moment so you guys can see what the pants look like. This is what the top looks like. It's a half top, and it has like one side longer than the other. And it's really cute. It really doesn't look like much right now, but watch when I try it on, you guys are gonna see. Once again, let me come up close so you guys can see the ribbed gray material. Really nice quality top. Really like it. So here is what this top looks like on. I'm just sitting down for now just so you guys can see what the top looks like. So freaking cute. Absolutely love it, you guys. And I love the fact that my pants have a slight flare to them. The fit is perfect for this. This is a size small. I love the material that was used. It's so soft and comfortable. Absolutely love it. Definitely very good quality. This top right here and this top right here, or this outfit right here, is the best quality out of everything that I've received. So yeah, you guys, this is the top and bottoms. I absolutely love it. I like how this hits on this side. It's just perfect and it's super cute. Here's what this side looks like. And I'll come up close so you guys can see. This is ribbed, so this is what it's looking like. You will have a little under boob, so just be careful, make sure you pull that down. And then I like that these are high-waisted. These are high-waisted, they go right in my waist, which I love. Absolutely love these pants. They fit perfectly. And then this is what it looks like in the back. Cute. And you guys can't see it, but the pants have a flare to them at the bottom, so love this set though. It's super cute, very casual, perfect for every day. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up this lovely wholesale try on haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys see, I'm trying to do the whole try on haul thing now, and I do want to give a big thank you to our sponsor today, Lovely Wholesale, for sponsoring this video and sending over these items. All opinions mentioned are my own, and I absolutely love what I love, and if I don't like it, y'all know I will let you know. Definitely check out the description box down below if you guys are interested in any of these items. If there was something that I didn't cover and you guys had a question about something, let me know down below. For reference, I am 5'3"-ish. I don't know how much I weigh, but I am a 28 in jeans, and I am a D cup. So I don't know if those details help you out at all, but hopefully it does. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.